Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the fashion industry in more ways than one. From creating personalized designs to predicting trends, artificial intelligence is making the fashion industry more efficient and accessible. It's no surprise that artificial intelligence is becoming a game changer in the fashion world. Artificial intelligence has already started to transform the way people shop for clothes and accessories, with many retailers using artificial intelligence technology to offer personalized shopping experiences. It can also be used to create custom-made garments and help designers create new trends faster. The fascinating fact about artificial intelligence in fashion is that it's not just limited to retail stores, but it's also being used by designers, photographers, editors, and even models. All of these aspects of the fashion industry are being impacted by this revolutionary technology.